You've been using moving averages wrong. I don't mean slightly wrong. I mean fundamentally, account draining wrong. And the worst part? Nobody's going to tell you this because the just use the 200 MA as support crowd is everywhere. Today I'm exposing exactly why that lazy approach gets intermediate traders chopped apart, and I'm replacing it with a dynamic moving average system that actually prints money in real market conditions. Pull up any chart right now. Slap a 200-period moving average on it. Looks clean, right? Price respects it a few times, you get excited, you start trading it, and then boom. Price slices straight through it like it doesn't exist, stops you out, reverses immediately, and goes exactly where you thought it would. That's not the market being random. That's the market hunting your predictable textbook entry. Because if you're using the same setting as every retail trader on the planet, you're entering at the same level as every retail trader on the planet. And institutional players know exactly where that is. Here's what nobody explains properly. A single moving average gives you a line. But markets don't respect lines, they respect zones. Price is a living, breathing auction. It doesn't stop on a pixel. It reacts to areas of value. So, when you trade a single MA like it's a brick wall, you're setting yourself up to get faked out over and over again. The solution isn't a different length. The solution is an entirely different framework, and that's the moving average ribbon combined with dynamic slope analysis. Watch what happens when I transform this chart. Same price action, but now instead of one static line, I've built a ribbon of 6 exponential moving averages. For these you can use one indicator EMA ribbon. Yeah, this one here. Now set the averages to 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and 89 EMA. These aren't random numbers. They're Fibonacci-based, which means they naturally align with how institutional money flows through the market. For color coding, use a gradient. Set your 8 EMA in bright yellow and progressively darken toward your 89 EMA, which goes in dark orange. This visual gradient instantly tells you the health of the ribbon at a glance. When colors are neatly separated and ordered, trend is clean. When they're overlapping and mixed up, trend is transitioning and you wait. One more layer. Add a 200 EMA in bold red separately. This isn't your trade entry tool anymore. This is your market context filter. Above the 200, you only look for longs. Below the 200, you only look for shorts. Non-negotiable rule that eliminates an entire category of bad trades immediately. Now let's talk about 2 setups. Both clean, both repeatable. Setup 1, the ribbon pullback. Market is in a clear uptrend. Ribbon is fanned open, stacked perfectly. Price is above the 200 EMA. Price has been running hard and now pulls back into the ribbon. Not through it, into it. The moment price touches the upper boundary of the ribbon and your first reaction candle closes back above the 8 EMA, that's your entry. The ribbon just acted as a dynamic support zone, not a single line. The intermediate EMAs absorb the selling pressure and the trend is resuming. This is the setup you drill until it becomes automatic. Setup 2, the ribbon compression breakout. Price chops sideways. The ribbon compresses into a flat, tangled mess. All 6 EMAs clustering together. Volume dries up. Most traders abandon the chart at this point. Don't. This compression is the market coiling like a spring. Watch for the ribbon to begin separating. The moment the short-term EMAs, your 8 and 13, begin fanning away from the longer ones with a strong directional candle closing outside the ribbon on increased volume, that's your breakout entry. The compression just released. Momentum is picking a direction and you're getting in at the earliest possible confirmation. Stop loss on ribbon pullback trades goes below the lowest EMA in the ribbon. Not the entry candle, not the nearest EMA. The full ribbon is your support zone. Price closing below the entire ribbon means the setup is invalidated and you're out, clean. Master these before you add anything else. Drop a like if this leveled you up and hit the notification bell because the next one builds directly on top of this. See you next time.